What's up guys, it's another wonderful weekend and today sa Park Mall. Actually this is my fourth time to visit this mall. Makasuroy Jud. I've been here in Cebu for 15 years and again um, this is my fourth time here sa Park Mall. So we'll discover um, a lot of things here sa mga bago and let's begin.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Okay, so here inside Park Mall, we are celebrating Earth Month, and we're having a showcase here of bonsai plants. I'm gonna show to you um, a lot of plants in here inside. Check it out. Look at this bonsai. Very, very nice. Very, very intricate. You can only imagine how much effort the owners of this bonsai has been giving these plants. This one is my favorite. Look, I don't know kung saan na siya ka old na plant, but the way it looks, very, very great. Okay, so aside from the bonsai show, we also have here a calendar of activities. From March 8 to 21, Hortikultura Sugbo. And we also have from March 20 to 21, Eco Workshop. Also for March 27, we have Crash Talk. March 23 to 29, Eco Bazaar. And lastly, on March 28th, it's going to be an Earth Hour 2020. And if you could remember guys, every time at Earth Hour, many establishments would turn off their electricity to save, you know, para dili kayo kalas o kuryente, and in effect, also saving the environment. And we have a lot of plants here, mga baligya. And so if you are into indoor plants or planting, we have a lot of finds, great finds here at Park Mall. So muna siya guys, tempting kaayo, but for today medyo wala sa tayo budget for mga plants. There's really a lot of them. Let me try to share it with you. Find something interesting. Look at this fella. Very giant cactus. First time ako to see cactus that big, as in literally nagko di siya kayo guys. And I think 3 feet tall cactus. And so these guys are very interesting. Mga plants, a lot of plants in here. Look, si Baby Groot, very nice. Plant, mga young hair. So very interesting. A lot of succulents. Also Baby Groot with messy hair. Alright, so another set of giant cactuses here. Very huge. I think it's 1 foot. big. I think I saw a few pieces here of succulents na very much affordable. That's right, it's just 50 pesos per pot of succulents. Let me show to you. So as you can see, it says 50 pesos each, and they look lovely, aren't they? Nindot na ka na siya ibutang sa imong room. Look at this, very beautiful. Nice. Nasad siya. Kani, more siya coconut tree. But what's interesting is kaniyahang bud. Ano siya? When you pluck it out, pwede sana naman siya matanong balik. So, I used to have, you know, a collection of succulents when I was in high school. But apparently, nawala sila, namatay. Kaya wala na timan when I went to college. These are very wonderful. Look, snake plant and money tree. O ba na? Money plant. So far, kato akong nakita ng pinakabarato, which is 50 pesos per pot. You can grow it and then propagate mo siya para, you know, managhan. This is very, very wonderful, guys. So if you have time, you can visit Park Mall. I think this will be here up until the 28th, if I'm not mistaken. So look, very, very nice. Nasa yung mga pot or mga urn. Almost 800, 650. A lot of things going on inside. So for now, tanaw-tanaw lang sa kay it's not our agenda today to buy, you know, plants. Then again, if you want to get one, make sure to visit here before the end of the month para you have a good variety of, you know, selection or a good selection ng mong kapilian. And so, maglibot-libot sa diri sa Park Mall. That's all I got for today. Stop lang sa video kay ingon sa security guard, bawal daw mag-video inside the mall. So, good citizen man na. So, it will be the last of it. So, for the time being, I'll be going towards the section na ay mag-massage kay I'm exhausted today. So, I think I need a good massage. So, that's it for today, guys. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.